Students, today our topic is different forms of energy. As all of us know that our nature has provided us with a lot many forms of energy, and we are very thankful to our nature for providing us so many forms of energy which are useful to us or which are not directly useful, but we can harness energy from them with the help of our technological resources. So let's discuss one by one all these forms of energy. First of all, solar energy. As we know that sun's energy is called solar energy, but the sun rays which are coming to us, we cannot directly use them to do useful work. So we have made some devices called solar panels, solar furnaces, solar cells, etc. for the use of solar energy. So solar panels are what? They are comprised of large number of solar cells. And what happens in solar furnace? So in solar panel, energy of sun is converted into electrical energy. And in solar furnace, energy of sun is concentrated to achieve a large amount of heat at a place, and that heat can be harnessed either to form steam, to run steam engines, to generate electricity, or that heat concentrated with the help of mirrors at a place can be used even to melt the metals. That's why solar furnace name is given. Then solar cells. So as I told you, solar panels are metal surfaces having large number of solar cells fixed in them, right? So solar cell is a device which is used to directly convert solar energy into electrical energy, and large many solar cells are arranged in arrays in the form of arrays to form solar panels, right? And these days you may see the solar panels installed over the roofs of many houses, buildings, to generate electrical energy. Next one is heat energy. Again, heat energy is simply infrared radiations which are coming from any heat source, and you can use heat energy to do many useful work, like generation of electricity again by burning coal to produce steam, and then steam turns turbine. Similarly, heat energy's other source is sun also. So either you produce heat by burning something, by burning fossil fuels, or by harnessing the energy or concentrating the energy of sun. Then all of us know about light energy. The sun's light which is coming to us, which is called sunlight. It has got two factors. One is visible part, sunlight, another one is heat part, heat energy, which are the two forms of energies coming from sun. And light helps us to see many things, and we are unable to see anything without light energy. And light energy can also be used to generate electricity, that you will be studying in your higher classes, that how light creates electrons to flow. Next comes chemical energy, which is also the energy of a fuel. As I told you, burning fossil fuels, we produce heat energy. So that heat energy is actually produced by the chemical energy, which is called the fuel energy. When energy is stored in these fuels in the form of chemicals, and when you burn these fuels, the chemical energy changes to light energy. Similarly, chemical energy is also present in our food, which is prepared by plants through photosynthesis. Next form of energy is hydro energy, that is energy of fast moving water. So here the kinetic energy of fast moving water, which is stored in the form of potential energy of dams, is harnessed to it is allowed to fall on the turbines, and it is converted into electrical energy through this process in the power plants. Then electrical energy, which is the most useful form of energy, easily available form of energy, on which all of us are dependent. What is it actually? It is the flow of electrons. So how electricity is developed, how charges are developed by rubbing two bodies together against friction. The work is done and the bodies acquire charges, and when these charges flow, electric current is made, and this electric current is useful in running many of the devices. So electrical energy can be produced either by hydro energy or by sun energy or by chemical reactions, right, like in cells or batteries. So electrical energy is today's energy. Today's energy means it is the present or the modern era's energy. So all our efforts are how to produce electrical energy. Actually all other forms of energies are harnessed or are put to use ultimately to produce electrical energy only. Then nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nucleus. And how is it produced? By the processes called nuclear fission or fusion. Because nucleus is having massive particles, like particles having mass like protons or electrons, then these mass particles, when changes it to energy, they follow the equation of Einstein's mass energy equivalence relation, E is equals to mc square. So when mass gets destroyed, it changes into energy.